In lesson 2.4, we've got 4 handy theorems that we're going to use. And here they are all written out, and we're going to come up with some abbreviations to use in place of these. But let's figure out what they are. If angles are complementary to the same angle, then they are congruent. And we'll have an example that shows these. But instead of having to write all that out, we're just going to abbreviate that with complementary. So comp, same. So that's complementary to the same angle, then you have congruent angles. Same idea, if angles are supplementary to the same angle, then they are congruent. So we're going to abbreviate that with supplementary to the same angle. So sup, same. Alright, if angles are complementary to congruent angles, then they are congruent. So this one we're going to say complementary to congruent angles, then they are congruent. And then the last one, if angles are supplementary to congruent angles, then they are congruent. So our abbreviation for that will be supplementary congruent. So they are supplementary to congruent angles, complementary to congruent angles, supplementary to the same angle, complementary to the same angle. So we'll look at some examples where we use those theorems and make sense of what all of this means.